Hello, everybody. Nice to see you this morning. And before we start doing what we're going to do today, let's just go straight into singing hello. Ready? Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello. And wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello to everyone, wriggle hello. So that makes me think straight away, we all like making some music, don't we? We like singing. And I've seen some of you when we're on Zoom, I've seen some people with xylophones and pretend pianos. Somebody had a pretend guitar one day and they made a really good noise with that. And sometimes I think I've seen people with these. These are from the toy library and they're shakers. I'm going to shake them, see if you can hear. 2 shakers. Let me try another one. Here's one that looks like an egg and here's a sort of bally egg shake. Let's see what sound they make. Oh, quite different. Why? Well, they've got something inside. That one's got something quite big and heavy. This one's got something little. And I've got some bells as well. Another sound, another thing to hold in your hand and shake. A bit of percussion, you might say, grown-ups. So, what can we do so that we've got a shaker of our own? I wonder whether we could make one. Here I've got a bottle. It's a green plastic bottle. It's rather pretty, isn't it? It's nice. You just see through the bottom of it. And does it make a noise when I shake it? No. Why is that? Yes, you're right. It hasn't got anything except air inside it. Let's open it. Take the lid off. You can see inside. Empty. Look, there's my finger. Now it's not empty. It's got my finger in. What could we put in? Well, grown-ups, if you have a look in your store cupboard, you might find you've got maybe some lentil or maybe some rice, and if you put a bit into a bowl, a bit of each one, I've got some lentils in this bowl, and I've got some rice in this bowl, and you'll see I've got a spoon as well in each one. Well, what I'm going to try and do is get some of those lentils into my bottle and then I'm going to shake it. Well, let's see. How will I do that so I don't spill them all over the floor and all over the sofa? Well, first of all, it might be a good idea to do this on the kitchen floor so it's easier to sweep up just in case. But if you're lucky and you've got a funnel like me, this is a funnel. Have a look. It's got a narrow end, a little thin end, that end, big wide end at that end, big end. And the narrow one will fit inside my bottle in the top. And then that means there's lots of space for me to put the lentils in so that they won't spill as easily. I'm not trying to get them down into a tiny hole now. Are you ready? Can you hear them go in? I can see them as well. I'm going to put another spoonful in. There they go. 2 spoonfuls of lentils. Shall I put one more? Or shall I mix it up and put a little bit of rice in as well? Maybe I'll do that. I guess that'll make a big noise or a little noise. Ready? Here goes the rice. Now I'm going to take the funnel out of the top Shall I shake it? What do you think would happen if I shook it really hard, or if I turned it upside down? It'd all fall out all over the place. And that's why it's so good to have a really good lid that you can screw on like this. There now. Let's try and see. Oh, you can see in the bottom. See the lentils and the rice together, sitting in those little bottom pockety bits at the bottom of the bottle. Let's give it a shake. Nice handle. Oh, yes. La, 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 la. Very good. I'd like it to look even prettier than it does. Well, one of the things I tried was making a kiss on it with my pen. I've got a pen here. So what else could we put on it? Maybe we could do another little drawing. I might make a circle drawing on mine, I think. Maybe it's a face or some ears, look, on my bottle. And then if I wanted to do something else to make it look pretty, I could have a look and see if I've got any stickers left from the last time that we did something. Well, I found a birdie sticker. You could stick that on like that. That would look nice, wouldn't it? And anything else I could do? Oh, I know. I've got some little bits of ribbon left from wrapping up a parcel. I could get those and I could tie them round and around the neck of my bottle. If I needed some help with tying up the knot, I'd ask a grown-up to help me. Might be able to do it myself, I don't know. Oh, there it is. That looks good, doesn't it? I'm going to hold it upside down and shake it. Shall we try singing a song with it? Let's all make a shaker, make a shaker. Let's all make a shaker, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake this away, shake, shake that away. Shake, shake every way on this fine day. You don't have to have a green bottle that you can see through. You could have all kinds of other bottles. I found one which I thought was rather pretty already because it had a red top, nice and tightly screwed on, something inside. Look at the shape of it in the middle, just right for putting my hand round. And then I had a look to see if I could find a little tiny one to make a little tiny shaker. And I found one that had got an orange lid. Screwed that on tight after I'd put my lentils and my rice inside. And I put a few little stickers on, yellow and some green. And then, well, that makes a little sound. Little shaker, little sound. It's a bit like the eggy one, isn't it? And then have a look inside this one. First of all, the person who made this one wanted to write their name. So they made like a label on the front, their name that said Sam. What did they put inside? Well, it's not lentils and it doesn't look like the rice we had before. It's coloured rice. Listen to it. Look at it, doesn't it look pretty? Lovely bright red rice. And I'm going to tell you very quickly, grown-ups, how you could make some like that. And if you get our newsletter, you can look and see inside it, it'll tell you how to make the rice. But all you need to do is put about a cupful of your rice into a bowl. And then, children, you can be the ones that stir it up with a few drops of food colouring. So I put some red into one bowl and I put some blue into another bowl. And I stirred it till all the rice stopped being white and started being red in the red bowl and blue in the blue bowl. And when it was all covered, the only thing you have to do then is lay it out flat, spread it out on a baking sheet covered in foil and leave it to get dry. You can leave it in the sunshine or you can leave it somewhere warm in the kitchen. It'll only take about an hour to get dry. And then you can make a shaker with coloured rice or you can play lots of games. So if you had some blue coloured rice in one bowl, and you had some red coloured rice in another bowl, imagine what fun you could have. You could make a cake. You could use some of your toys. Maybe you had some stacking cups. Maybe if you had a little ladle, it might have come out of a milk pot or something like that. Or some spoons. And you could pour the rice in. You could say, let's make a pretend cake. Oh, look, I'm putting blue in here. Bit of that. I'm going to add a little bit of red. Put in a bit of red. Then I'm going to stir it up with my spoon. Makes me think about a song. What a lot of playing you could do with it. Let's sing a song about making a pretend cake, shall we? Let's make a cake. Let's make a cake. Put in all the things that we like best. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And what shall we put in next? And that's where you choose what you're going to pretend to put in. You might say strawberries, or you might say chocolate, or you might say rice. And we will stir in the rice, stir in the rice, stir and stir and stir and stir and let's make a cake. Let's make a cake. Put in all the things that we like best. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. And now our cake is ready. Delicious. So that's the kind of thing you can do with your pretend dinners and your coloured rice. Easy to make, and it's such a lot of fun. And you can pour and scoop and stir and pretend for ages and ages. So grown-ups, think about that. Something for people to do. And it's nice and clean and safe. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed doing all of those things. Time for us to say goodbye. Don't forget, make a shaker for yourselves. If you make one and you come to Zoom with us, then you could play it while we're singing and dancing together. Time now to say goodbye. So bye from Claire and Judy in the toy library, and we'll sing goodbye together. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Bye. See you soon.